Hi everyone, it's Oktoberfest time in Germany, so today we're making a delicious German sausage pasta. Let's start by cooking some penne pasta, drain, then set aside. While the pasta is cooking, start chopping up 1 large onion, about 3 or 4 mushrooms, and 1 red and 1 green bell pepper. This is schmaltz. It's chicken or goose fat, or you can just use butter. I prefer schmaltz because it adds a lot of flavor to the meal. Add a teaspoon of the schmaltz or butter to a skillet over medium heat. When the schmaltz is melted, saute onions until they're soft and translucent. Then season with Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper according to your taste. You can use smoked sausage or a kielbasa, which is a Polish sausage, for this recipe. Now you can add the sliced sausage to the skillet and saute until it's brown. Pour in half a cup of beef stock and heavy cream to the skillet. Stir it, then cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. We want to allow the flavor to melt. Once the sauce has thickened, add the cooked pasta to the skillet. Let it simmer for a minute or two. And that's it. Our delicious German sausage pasta is ready to be served. I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you will try this recipe. Enjoy!